Okay, I haven't actually seen any videos on the CJ Motorsport adapter with the AEM map sensor on a 370Z. So that's what I'm gonna video the swap on it. So right now I have an Omni map sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, not a MAF, but a map sensor. Obviously, you just take the engine cover off, take the bolt out, undo the clip, and it just kind of pops right off. It's just got an O-ring. As you can see, it just makes the seal. My turbo boost and this haven't been quite matching up, so tuner recommended swapping it. Okay, to start, I've got the CJ Motorsport adapter here. I've got this threaded piece that goes to the dash 4N, or the dash 4AN, sorry. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of Teflon tape on it. I don't want it to wrap over too much. Tightened up, clean off some of that Teflon tape extra. Of course, this works for the hose, but not for this piece. Hold on. The millimeters don't actually fit very well on these fittings, so I'm using a 1/2 inch. Nice and snug. Get some of that extra Teflon junk off now that it's threaded and clean. So I already put a little bit more on that, so I've kind of rubbed it off. Just putting a little bit of silicone on that to keep the O-ring nice and fresh. Make a good seal. Just simply popping it in place. Or actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put this dash 4, the 4AN thread fitting on this. No Teflon tape needed on that. It's not the way those hook up. It's more of a compression thing, right? Getting that a little tight. Unfortunately, I don't know if I got my angle right on that though. I gotta loosen it. I'm gonna just get it in place and then tighten it. Okay, snug. Popping that on. Got this little titanium rainbow bolt. Not a huge fan of the color, but you know what, it works, whatever. Kind of have more of a black-red theme going on in the engine bay, but frankly, this one's probably going to be underneath the engine cover anyways. So obviously this is replacing the MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. So it's hooking into the manifold here. Sorry, just trying to think and make sure I don't over tighten or anything. Don't really want to pop any plastic or strip anything. Okay, so now we've got the adapter, got the dash 4 line. Next, we've got this AEM map sensor. It's the one that was recommended by my tuner with this adapter kit, replacing the old Omni. This one I will thread. I'm just trying to make sure that this is right, because they sent me a couple adapters and I'm just trying to see if this will, yeah, see it, this is a dash 4 this is a dash 4, and obviously this is not. I don't know what this is. Figured there was a reason why they gave me the adapter. So make sure that's gonna fit. It is. So I want to Teflon this piece. Keep it so Teflon doesn't cover the actual inlet. That would be bad. Okay, that's enough. Should have just grabbed a crescent wrench because I'm guessing I need some different sizes here. But we'll see if I've got what I need. That one fits, nice. But let me go get something to hold the sensor. I'll be back. Okay, just cranking this one down nice for a second. Get this thing stabilized. All right, just clean off some of the Teflon tape, and crap, I just lost the cap down the back of my engine. Make sure it fell out. I don't have to go fishing. Yep, it fell out. That's good. When the metal part falls into your engine bay, you can fish it out with the magnet, but when the plastic part falls down, that's kind of a problem. Okay, so what we got going on here is we got the adapter. It'll connect to the dash 4 hose, connects to the actual sensor itself. This is the plug that plugs into the AEM. I'll plug it here so I can show you. It all lines up. And then, I haven't tried it yet, but I assume that's why I bought it, to fit for my car, is this will then fit through the stock connector. Yep, no problem. Okay, so now it's all a matter of hooking it up and then ensuring that I just want to tuck it away in a nice place. This guy hooked up. Again, this is the AEM fitting, which just uses the angle here to compress and tighten up. No Teflon needed. Same one right there. Hold on, I need another wrench. Okay, so now this is connected, obviously, and I just got to figure out how I want to. I don't want to bend this too much. I mean, it looks like it can, so I could just kind of double it over and cleanly tuck it right here underneath the cover. That might be what I want to do. Don't see any excessive bends in that. That's going to cause a problem. I kind of like it. And then I've got the cable right here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Just trying to make it so it's accessible down the road. So this wiring can pivot a little bit. It's got a sleeve on it. I'm not worried about any excessive heat spots over here. Okay, I'm gonna grab zip ties and wire cutter. Okay, probably got too many zip ties, but I can always put them back. And obviously this is the lame part that really just doesn't matter. None of this is too complicated. Just now it's just preference of where you want to put stuff. So I'll probably either fast forward this or just cut it out of the video when I'm done. Okay, that is the CJ Motorsport adapter with hose and AEM map sensor. Obviously, just throw this guy back on. Make sure it actually clears it. Looks like we're good.